Hello. How everybody doing today? Okay, so what we're going to make something interesting today. We're going to make a orange cream sherbet mixie, smoothie. So what we're going to need, it's my handy dandy bullet blender. Now you can use other blenders, doesn't really matter, or mixers, or however you want to mix it up. And we're going to use some Greek yogurt. Ooh. Okay, let's see. So you can measure it out, or you can just go straight rogue. We're going straight rogue today. Depends on what you want to make. And we're going to add a little of orange sherbet. Just to let you know what this looks like. And we're going to add some oats for extra protein and fiber. And give you that extra shot of protein, we're going to add a scoop of protein powder. So this is going to give you an all-around feel. And since it takes 2 scoops of this to give you 30 grams of protein, we're going there. I ain't playing. Now, what we're going to do is, where's my top? Do I want to add anything else to this? No. That might be good. So what I need to do is I need to plug this blender up to the power source. Otherwise, we ain't going nowhere. Alright. So we're going to blend this up real good in a bullet blender. Okay. This doesn't seem as thick as I want it yet. Okay, it's still not quite as thick as I want. See, it's still very loose. So what we're going to do, in order to thicken it up, you can add more oats. Now, if you don't like thick smoothies, then that's fine. You can add, you don't have to add the extra oats. Also, yogurt will also help thicken it up a little bit. And this is Greek yogurt, so it's a little bit more healthier. I think I need a little bit more oats on this. Now, if you have a very sensitive stomach, raw oats may get it slightly upset. So if it upsets your stomach a little bit, you may want to cook the oats prior to, or use a substitute for oats. Such as adding ice, sometimes it will thicken it up a little bit. Still not quite as thick as I want it. That's still a little loosey-goosey. Just gonna kill off the rest of this oats. Add a little bit more yogurt it is. And then we're gonna roll with it after this. Be it if it's thick enough or not. Because some people don't really like it. adding ice to it? Ice will cause it to kind of start to freeze and give it the appearance of thickness. What we have here is some vanilla vanilla pudding, which we're going to put as a base at the bottom. You're like, why don't you just mix it in? Can't do that. Sorry, brother. We need to use that as a base foundation, so when we pour this smoothie on top of it, oh yeah, that's a little bit more thicker. Oh yeah, see that? See that? And then what we're gonna do from there, if you want to take a good look at what it looks like now, see that? If you look close enough, you can see where it separates from the vanilla pudding and the smoothie. What we're gonna add next is some whipped topping. And you can either use, I could have, oh, I'm about to say, I thought I brought a straw with me. You can use a straw, you can use a spoon. Since I have plenty of straws, I'm going to use a straw in this case. You can stick it in most of the way. It has a very creamy texture to it. You can literally taste the oats in it. Let me stick it a little bit further down and see what it tastes like when I get some of that. I'm already there. This is actually pretty good. The only thing I would change on this is I would add ice cubes to it to make it a little bit colder. Because it's not quite as cold as I would like it to be. But besides that, this is actually really delicious because you have the benefit of the high sugar, of the high cream, the orange cream, the health benefits of Greek yogurt, and the health benefits and fiber that's going to come from the oats, and the protein boost that you're going to get from using the protein shake. And I've added 2 scoops of that, so that's about 30 grams of protein, not including the protein you're going to get from the yogurt and the protein. Yes, I think there is some protein in the oats. Yes, 5 grams of protein per a half a cup of oats, which we definitely put at least half. So you got 3 tiers of protein: the protein powder, the oats, and the Greek yogurt. If you chill this a little bit more, there'll be nothing you can do. This could literally be used as a meal replacement, because we're looking at about 40 grams of protein. Let's see here. 8, 5, 30. Yeah, looking closer. Actually, looking a little bit more than 40. So you're looking 38 plus 5 is 43 grams of protein in a breakfast smoothie, which is minimum requirements for most people are 60 grams plus of protein per day. This is going to get you really close to 50. So this is only a meal replacement that you can use in the morning. So you want to make it real quick. You can actually, if you make this the night before and let it chill in the refrigerator, will probably make it even more tasty. What really gives it a weird combo is you could take the oats and you have that vanilla jelly, vanilla pudding in the bottom that gives it a very interesting twist. This is not bad at all. I would have to give this a solid, and I did this strictly off the tip of my head. This one I give a good 8.5. Texture, quality of taste, nutritional balance that is going to help what your body needs. Your body needs protein. and it needs it as much as you can give it. If you have kidney problems, you want to be careful with taking protein shakes and things of that nature because it taxes the kidneys. But if you're healthy, this is for you. This is really good. 8.5, easy, no question about it. Like I said, the only thing I would change about this is I would chill it, make it a bit colder. Either add ice to it when you blend it or freeze it, then blend it. But other than that, this is nothing to be played with. Oh my gosh, that is good. Okay, until next time, family. Eat smart, live long, and you need to try this for real. This is probably one of the healthier smoothies I've made, and this is absolutely delicious. 8.5 easily, right off the rip. I'm not playing with you. Until next time, family, you take care.